Hi! So, I started my YouTube channel 5 years ago. Um, Actually, I was planning to do that during my training period. But then again, I'm not that confident and I'm afraid that people will judge me or bash me. Pero, ngayon siguro, nakita ko naman na halos karamihan na sa tao nag-vlog and nire-record nila yung buhay nila. Dito, napag-isipan ko na itong bagay na to magsisilbing remembrance. Pwede mong balik-balikan, at least na-capture mo yung mga memories na gusto mong balikan, at magsisilbing memorabilia din para sa anak ko pagdating ng araw. And I hope that you guys can support me. You can like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. My name is hindi ko din tanda yung pangalan ko. It's Pine. It's this. Kita ba? Ayan. So, I'll be sharing some vlogs, question and answer if you guys have questions for me, and snippets of my life together with my husband and with my son. And siguro, yung mga hobbies ko like cooking and travel, and kapag bumalik na kami ng asawa ko sa weekend activity namin. So, yun lang po. Sana supportahan niyo po ako, and I'll be posting my QR code here, or my YouTube QR code here. Thank you!